Reskin Pro Modern Skincare System. 6 years technology efforts. Comprehensive upgraded. 6+3 diverse handles functions for options. To get more professional and systematical skincare service. New 360 rotation Hydra facial. 360 rotation for massage and deep clean. Soft Cutin fully and exfoliate the skin. Foam pen. Active oxygen for deep cleansing and hydrating. Antibacterial and blackhead removal. High-pressure oxygen sprayer. 450 meters per second. Spraying product at high speed. Product penetrate deeply and absorb fully. Skin scrubber. 38,000 high-frequency vibration. Shatter deep Lipin and Cutin. RF for facelifting. Cold handle to cool the skin. Plasma for disinfecting sterilization. Vacuum RF for fading fine lines and dark circles. Ultrasonic product absorption. 9 handles for options to build a new machine. Various matching projects. Meet the market. Special designed for the beauty salons. Reskin Pro Modern Skincare System.